I can't be the only one who loved the little advent calendars that you used to get and you opened it up and eat the chocolate out of it leading up to the days till Christmas. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. It is your beauty reporter here, coming to you live to talk about advent calendars. First, let me start by saying I had no idea that until recently that there was a such thing as beauty advent calendars. Like when you're growing up, you see the ones with the chocolate, but it's so smart, I think, for companies to have beauty ones. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, insert here. The point of an advent calendar is to count down the days until Christmas. So you open one chocolate up and sometimes it'll have a phrase or a verse on the back for you to read, and then you eat usually chocolate out of the door behind it. The history is that these were used in the 19th and 20th centuries by the Germans, and they used it to count down the days in anticipation of Christmas. So the beauty advent calendars are such a good idea because if you are someone who's looking to try a variety of skincare products, then this would be perfect for you. If you're getting a gift for someone who you know is into beauty things, then this is perfect for you. They save tons of money because of the prices, or because of the items in there. They're at a discounted rate for the whole calendar, which is amazing. Sometimes you get full-size products, and then sometimes you'll get just the travel size depending on what brand you're doing. So I wanted to start today by just sharing some advent calendars that I would either get or ones that you can get for your friends and family based off of the brands themselves. So the first one is Asos. I shop from Asos for clothes. I'm gonna put them all on the screen so you can see the value, the cost, and everything. So for Asos, this is particularly a beauty one. I shop at Asos all the time, and if you know, Asos houses different brands, and then they also have like their own brand. Sephora, this is like a no-brainer. They have the advent calendar with tons of beauty products in it, so this is worth it. And they're all like mini products. I'm looking at my phone because I have them all on my phone. Benefit Cosmetics, such a good brand. They have theirs as well, affordable. It's on sale. The next one is Charlotte Tilbury. This one right here, because her products alone, so she has a calendar and it's filled with 12 products, and it's only priced at $200. Now, if you shop at Charlotte Tilbury products, then you know that this is a steal, primarily because her products alone, one thing can cost 50 or 60, more than 50 or 60 bucks. And so if you're getting 12 items in one, that's such a good deal. So this one I would definitely highly recommend. Neiman Marcus, they have tons of stuff in there, so this is just a good opportunity to buy one for someone that may not know. It looks like they also have a variety of products that you could potentially choose from. Opie, which is a nail brand, if you're into painting your own nails, or if you know of, let's say, a teen or early teen that loves nail polish, this would be the perfect one because you'll get a ton of nail polishes. We are also going to talk about Kiehl's. So this skincare brand is amazing and their products are amazing. And so if you haven't checked them out, they're at Ulta, they're at Sephora. It's the perfect skincare brand. So this is for someone who you might know that's in skincare. And those are the top ones, but if you Google Advent beauty calendars, you're gonna see so many to choose from. I'm so tempted to buy one for myself just because I am in the phase of where I'm trying multiple beauty products, and for me, if I want a variety, I'm either gonna do the Asos or the Sephora's, because those are going to be ones that are gonna have a variety of beauty products and not just the ones that it's not just gonna be Sephora brand. This video was different than my usual video. I am kind of rocking like a holiday look. This wig is from my most recent video that you could check out here. I did not film this makeup look, but let me know down below if you want to see just like a holiday makeup look. I've purchased some new palettes with some fun colors in it, and so it'll be perfect for the holidays, of course, with a red lip. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. It's still beauty, it's still in line, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.